Right guys, prepare for extract.
British rule is
You've got to do the helicopter noise now. Spin it round.
Am I reading this in here? Darren, am I reading this in here?
Engines are starting.
Okay guys, get ready for lift off. Get ready for lift off.
I'll tell you what. Hold on guys, hold on, hold tight, hold tight. Every player is dead apart from Sparks.
RPG! RPG!
Every NATO player is dead apart from Sparks.
Does that mean
Read that loud.
Your helicopter has been hit by a surface-to-air missile. You have crash-landed. Everyone on board apart from the LT is a casualty. Objective 1, medic your team. Move immediately to the second extract, which is being ambushed now. Remove unused deck packs from the vehicle, then extract to the main base. And in no circumstances allow any NATO forces to be captured. Separatist forces are under kill and capture orders. They're coming for you now. Support assets due to the operator sound system.
Right, fuck it, right. Medic.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Go. Sparks, go, your head. Hit! Fuck! We can't, David, we can't.